To Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, anything jump out at you when we take a look at those prices?
Well, we do have new contract highs in the June live cattle market. Since really the beginning of the year, everyone's been waiting for the cash market to really develop it and break out of a range, and it took about 4 months to do it. But over the last week and a half, we're finally getting that move that everyone wanted to see, and we're seeing the futures market follow suit, making new highs, and that's probably one of the bigger gaps I've seen in a while in the live cattle market. So it's going to be interesting to see if that gets filled and when it would get filled. Right now, the cash market looks very firm. We've got a big jobs number tomorrow. Unfortunately, the markets are going to be closed, so we won't get to really see the market's reaction until next week. But it's certainly something to keep an eye on. You mentioned lean hogs. You know, they're kind of like the wheat of the livestock sector, just continuing to get pummeled. I do think that there's light at the end of the tunnel, but I think you're going to have to look further down the curve out to that December contract to find some real value for a longer-term trade setup.
Well, I'm going to say you did it. That was a good technical wrap-up, right? We don't have a lot of guys that come on and talk technicals as well as you do, Oliver, so that was a really good way to bring in some solid content at the end of the day. Appreciate that. And so we'll just leave it right there, but are you doing anything fun for Easter? Are you sticking around? Are you going back out to Nebraska?
I'm going to be doing my part in fulfilling the demand side of the equation.